Hey there, Playmobil pals. Welcome to another mail call. This one today we got from eBay. Let's go ahead and crack this one open and see what's inside. Alright, so I ordered a few things recently, just Klickys, and ones I've been wanting for quite some time. So I'm very eager to add these to my collection since I'm building a display shelf for them. But that is a project in itself because I've never made one before, and I'm not looking for pointers on Google or YouTube. I'm just going all in and hoping for the best. But I'll have an update on that later on. And wow, look at this guy. I missed out on him during the initial Series 12 run in the spring of 2019. I love jazz music, and what we have here is a jazz trumpeter. Really nice. He totally looks the part. I can picture him adding a little fun and flair on those hot summer nights in New Orleans. Okay, seems I'm having a little trouble with figuring out how to get the trumpet to fit on his hand here. I'm guessing he's right-handed and he holds it with the left hand. Yeah, so it's just a matter of switching hands here and we'll get him all set. Sorry about that. And there he is. Now let's move on to the second eBay package for the rest of this mail call. This here is actually the first order of Klickys by the same seller. I think I bought the trumpeter an hour or so afterward, explaining why he came in a separate packaging envelope. Anyway, in this box we have multiple items, beginning with this guy here. Yep, there's really nothing that special about him. But I was considering including him in my jazz band I'm putting together. I like the look with the white shirt and vest with jeans. It looks a lot like something I would have worn in my younger days. Next is a heavily sought after figure from Series 16. We finally have our hands on the female steampunk. We got the male version from Series 11. It was the one character that constantly eluded me until we found Series 11 at the dollar stores. I bought a bunch of those packages just for the spare parts when I opened one to find the male steampunk, finally. So this one here is an ideal match. I've gotten some inspiration to make a few of my own steampunk characters. We'll see how that goes when we get to that point. I really dig the threads on this figure. The top hat with goggles is the icing on the cake, I think, and they complement the brown and white as well. Last but not least, we have the pilot. Finally, one that isn't an airline pilot. This one may be modeled after pilots from other eras in mankind's history, particularly World War II or Charles Lindbergh even. My father was a pilot for a little while and is to this day an airplane fanatic, so this figure reminds me of him and therefore has a special place in my heart. I think what I paid for him is the most I've ever dished out for a single Klicky. But enough of that. Let's put him with the others, and that, my friends, is that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this mail call video. I particularly enjoy opening these up for you guys and seeing everything for the first time along with you, even if it's not live, but whatever. Anyway, we've got more to come. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We've got a lot of videos on the way. In fact, I've already got several videos scheduled for release, and we're going to try and do them on Sundays. Every once in a while I might squeeze one in sometime during the week, especially since the number of videos I'm making right now is quite a bit. So there's a few still on the sidelines waiting to be produced here. But anyway, subscribe if you haven't, like us, like our video, and also follow us on Instagram. I'm forgetting what I have to say. And we'll be seeing you next time right here on Playmo YT.